My project is on global warming, the reasons for it, and the chemistry behind it. So what is global warming? Global warming is recognized as the increase in temperature of the Earth's surface over a certain period of time. Global warming usually only includes the human activities that lead to the rise in global temperatures year over year, like fossil fuels that can increase the levels of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere. So what are the causes for global warming? As I mentioned in the previous slide, a big contributor to global warming is fossil fuels. They contribute to global warming by releasing large amounts of carbon dioxide into the air when they are burned. Those greenhouse gases that are released trap heat into our atmosphere, which causes the warming of global temperature. Currently, fossil fuels make up about 80% of the world's energy as a non-renewable source, and they are used to make plastic, steel, and other products we use in our day-to-day lives. Fossil fuels aren't the only cause, though. Cutting down trees and farming livestock also contributes. While they aren't as substantial, cutting down forests removes the regulation of the CO2 in the atmosphere that trees do, and carbon that was stored in the trees is released into the atmosphere. Livestock, such as sheep and cows, can produce large amounts of methane when they digest their food. So what is the chemistry behind global warming? The increased amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere leads to a higher global temperature that warms the Earth faster than what is ideal. The Earth's surface absorbs some of the energy that comes from sunlight and re-radiates it as the heat we feel. Those waves usually travel back into space if they are unimpeded. But carbon dioxide and other gases can absorb energy at a variety of wavelengths that then will re-emit the energy in all different directions. Now, carbon does only make up 0.04% of the Earth's atmosphere, but even that small amount can add up to billions of tons of heat-trapping gas. Carbon makes up a small percentage of our atmosphere, but has a real impact on the world and the humans and animals living in it. What are the effects of global warming on humans and the environment? Global warming has caused a lot of shifts in the environment, from glaciers melting to more intense heat waves. The melting of glaciers has led to rising water levels in several countries that can and has led to homes falling and sinking underwater as the water levels rise. The melting of ice has also led to a less safe environment for animals that live in those environments, like polar bears. If we continue at the pace we are currently at, severe weather will happen more frequently and will be even more severe. More than 50 researchers estimated that the risks worldwide of highly devastating fires could increase by up to 57% by the end of the century. The risks global warming plays on humanity are severe for the well-being of all living organisms on Earth, as many that reside in cold environments could have their homes and lives flipped upside down by the effects of global warming.